Hello and welcome to Tree Hugs to Fortress Craft Adventure. I'm here with ZRX Elite and my brother X Danny V.
But I'm not playing, I'm just here with him.
Yeah, he's just here with me. And X Aaron, which is me myself.
And
I've got a message. Let's have a look. What's your YouTube name? Send him a message.
What's your YouTube name?
Yeah.
Aaron.
Yes. What? Name.
Aaron. Your YouTube name's X Aaron.
Yeah, well, just write in. Xbox name. Boom.
Oh my god, I'm lagging so badly. How can you see that I'm lagging?
No.
So last
Yeah, you saw that.
episode there was a bit of a disruption in it.
We still don't know what that
We still don't know who that was or what that was, but hoping to figure out soon enough.
And there's still a black box over there, which...
It's part of the game, Aaron. So yeah, now we're just finishing off our football pitch basically. Well, finishing off starting our football pitch.
Finishing off starting off the pitch.
Well, actually it's our football stadium. It's not just a pitch, it's going to be a stadium. Are we putting the white lines in after?
Yeah. Usually, go to the lines in after. Yeah. Charlie just fell into the block.
Is Charlie gone or is he still
I'm
there?
lagging.
He's lagging. So he's out trying not to talk. I don't know why. Actually, he's just not talking.
Ah! I'm so lagging.
Charlie, disconnect and then connect again.
The football stadium. I am really sorry.
Charlie, disconnect and then connect again.
Like, out of the football stadium. I walked in a straight line.
Disconnect
and I
and
went off
connect
it.
again, Charlie.
Disconnect from the server.
Disconnect from the server and then connect again. Cool. So yeah, he's just disconnecting and then coming back. Because it was so laggy, he had to do it.
Yeah, just getting on with the football pitch now.
Yeah.
Basically, I'm just Aaron's editor for this little thing, and I'll be starting to play the game tomorrow. So
Yeah.
Thursday, the 22nd of December. So yeah, I just edit all his things and correct him on what anything he's gone wrong, spelling wise, or
Hello! Yeah, practically.
Charlie's back now.
He just practically helps me with my YouTube because,
He fails.
yeah, I can upload videos.
Yeah, he knows how to upload videos, and that's just about it.
Practically,
if
yeah.
he wants any text in it, I have to add it. I have to.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Do the game.
So the only thing he knows to do is check how many views. and
yeah,
stuff
and
like that.
subscribes and comments and rates and likes, dislikes. Yeah! And I know how to search things in the search bar.
Oh yeah.
I'm not that
It's
fit.
not hard, Aaron.
Well, it is if you couldn't
Charlie, is
spell.
Charlie still lagging?
Charlie, are you still lagging?
Oh,
Nice one. Oops, going a hallway.
sorry about that.
Oh, sorry, but I'm good.
How long's it been on for, Daniel? Phone!
What?
My brother was leaning on the phone.
then the stadium, is that all you want?
Yeah.
How big do you want the stadium?
I don't know, not very big.
It's just gonna be like a riverside.
Not as big though. Don't need very big.
Yeah, but it's the tree huggers. You have to
Yeah,
make
the
it
tree
good.
huggers.
You know what we'll have to do?
What?
Like, get like a black suit and just put green hair on
Yeah,
our
I'm loving it,
avatar.
man.
Because then we'll look like trees.
Yeah, we should do that.
So, after this
I was
episode,
lagging again really bad.
After this episode, we're gonna change our avatars. So we are the tree huggers. Because we don't want to look like the tree huggers. We thought about that name very long, didn't we?
yeah, thought that we had
Yes.
one.
And then we decided to get it. Oh god.
Oh my god, how much lagging this is. This is really laggy.
Yeah. No. Oops, what the
Are you
fail?
lagging?
Am I lagging? Yeah, I am. No, I'm only kidding, I'm not. I'll be lagging.
Lagging so badly. Can't move.
That move.
Yeah, Charlie, tell him we're gonna end the server after this video anyway.
Charlie, we're gonna end the server after this video anyway.
Because we're gonna change our avatars.
Yeah, so the black and then the green. Black suit, green hair. If you can't get green hair, then a green face paint.
Yeah.
How long left, Daniel?
My god!
4 minutes-ish. No, 3 minutes till 10 minutes, so about 2 minutes. Right, so now you want the lines in there.
If all the pictures done, I'll see the... Oh,
Easy. So go 5.
5.
Yeah, because then you do 10 in the box and then 5 at the corner.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I mean, how much did you get? Sorry.
I got 17, didn't I, Daniel?
Something more.
No, I got
Oh,
20.
Oh,
I got here, don't I?
no, a bit more. One more.
Oh, wait.
Oh my god, I lagged.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Any bigger than that.
Oh my god, I can't do it, I'm lagging.
There.
I can't do it, Aaron, I'm sorry, I'm lagging so badly.
Sorry.
Then switch lock.
Okay. Well. Oh, you.
Right,
Oh,
Charlie,
man.
Aaron, just say bye now. We'll have to do a short episode. So,
What?
just say bye because Charlie's gonna have to, yeah, penalty spot.
Yeah, technically we gotta go now because Charlie's lagging a lot and it's near the end of the episode.
So we're gonna go change
So,
our things.
yeah. Because you'll probably want us to.
Not that big, Charlie.
Charlie, not that big, about that big.
Yeah, there. No, not
Wrong
green.
thing.
Do the net. Do the actual net thing.
Yeah, well,
Right, see you YouTubers.
Bye.
bye.
Please subscribe,
Rate and comment.
dislike, like. Tell
Okay.
your friends to watch it, do anything.
Charlie, it's finished.